Meet Darren McNamara, professional drift racer and all-round top bloke from Ireland. And now meet the maddest Nissan GT-R in the universe, complete with a 1390 bhp 4-litre engine, nitrous injection system and, yes, rear-wheel drive. This thing even has narrower tyres at the back than it does at the front to help it go as sideways as possible, which is something it did at just over 190 miles an hour a month or two back in Dubai, when it set a new world record for high-speed drifting. And this, albeit briefly, is what it's like A, to be driven in, and then B, to drive. Listen to the way that power comes in each time he upshifts. That's the nitrous kicking in and basically just lighting up the rear wheels instantly in any gear.
Does it ever stop wheel spinning?
Right, this is the big one. 6th gear at about 140 miles an hour, completely sideways. Hold on tight.
My turn. Right.
Yeah. So you take it down and take it back up.
Exactly what you just done.
Yeah, exactly. And when we come back up, then you can go straight into the figure of 8s. I'll talk you through it anyway.
Okay.
So here we go then. As Darren says, my turn next. And basically the idea was for me to do a big figure of 8 in 2nd gear. As you'll see, the wheel spin is a touch ridiculous. But as you can also see, it turns out to be just a really friendly, ridiculously easy car to drive sideways, with lovely balance and a massive amount of steering lock to play with, so that you can pretty much catch it from any angle. And in a nutshell, that's because this particular GT-R was built purely to go sideways.
It has so much steering lock, like you're driving it like a street car, so you're catching it instantly.
Yeah.
But it'll go further way out and you can catch it after and you can hold it much longer and deeper, you know?
So thanks for that, Darren. You are officially one of the nicest nutcases I have ever met. Click on the video windows to watch a first drive of the current Nissan GT-R, or watch a sideways first drive of the M4 competition pack. Click on the play icon to watch our latest video, or on our logo to subscribe.